So if this value in the front is negative 4 cos x, we're now not going to start at plus 4. Now we're going to start at negative 4, and we're going to go up. He's still a cos graph, so he won't start at 0. So he goes up, turns, cuts the water, up. This dolphin goes up in the air, hits the water, and stops there. And there we go, guys. That is a negative 4 cos x graph. All right? He started at, now the depth. He starts at the depth, not the height. Why? Because of the negative sign there. He won't start on the positive side. He'd start on the negative. But still complete the same cycle. Let's do the tan graph. This is the last of the standard graphs, guys. So even if I told you 3 tan x, so now all we're going to do now, we take that out, we take that out, and we take that out. We still have 90, 180, 270, 360. And let's draw the tan graph. Now, the tan graph has got asymptotes. I told you, tans S. S sign starts at 0, C cos cuts first, tans S, asymptotes. So here goes. Right, and all you do now, you can, if you want to get one more value in here. If you want to, you can then substitute 45. If you want to make it very accurate, so 3 tan 45 will give you a value here. And then you can put the point there. And then your first graph, obviously, is going to go in that direction. Second graph go in that direction. We go 0 up, 180 up, 180 down, 360 down. Now you'll notice that there is a very strong relationship. And I want you to pay attention, because some of you don't even know what the purpose of these graphs are. There's a very strong relationship between this and your Cartesian plane. Okay? I'm going to show you that to you now. Just to show you something. We know from our rules of our Cartesian plane, which I explained to you, that this is, the graph is just your Cartesian plane that's been opened up. We know we got A, S, T, C. All positive, sign positive, everything else negative, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Right. All positive, sign positive, everything else negative, cos positive, tan positive, everything else negative, cos positive in this quadrant, everything else negative. Now look at this here, 0 to 90. Now watch here, this is a tan graph. Where is tan positive? Where is tan positive? Tan is positive in 2 quadrants, in quadrant 1 and quadrant 3. Positive. It's positive in 2 quadrants. Where is tan negative? It's negative in quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. So watch here. After drawing the graph, we notice above the line, it's positive. So the tan graph is positive, giving me positive values where? Quadrant 1, 0 to 90, and then 180 to 270. So that's quadrant 1, and that's quadrant 2, that's quadrant 3, that's quadrant 4. So here we go. It's positive here, and it's positive there. Quadrant 1, quadrant 3. Quadrant 1, quadrant 3. Can you see the relationship? Can you see the relationship between the Cartesian plane and your trig function, your actual x-axis and y-axis? Good. As long as you're seeing that relationship, this is just to expand your knowledge. It's nothing that you ought to know, but it's there to put you into perspective as to what those graphs are all about. Okay. Remember, scientific calculators only got invented now within the past probably 50 years. What happened before then? They had logbooks. And how did mathematicians work? Mathematicians worked with this. Guys, they are killing me here. I know we need to cut now for an ad break. Take a nice 3-minute break. I'll see you in 3 minutes' time. Enjoy the show.